How to export data from Robinhood. If you would like to export your data from Robinhood, you have to just launch the Robinhood application and make sure to log into our account. We will request a download of our personal information through Robinhood. Tap the profile icon from the bottom right corner of the screen, followed by the three lines icon from the top left of the screen. Now when you've done that, you can go to the option called Security and Privacy. Then from Security and Privacy, you can scroll down to the option called Manage Your Data and just tap on it. Then from Manage Your Data, you can go to the option called Request Personal Data and tap on it. Then once you go to Request Personal Data, then you can tap on this option called Request Personal Data, and then you'll see all of the data that is available for downloads. And in detail, you can just swipe through the drop-down menu and see it, and all of the data will be sent as a download link to your email to be able to download them. Just bear in mind that it might take some time for Robinhood to compile this data necessary to download. I hope this video helped you as to how you can export your data. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.